DJT Stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is Trump media stock a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video to the end to find out. The moment we're sitting at like $32.95. We're 25% off for the day. First things first, DJT definitely starts giving me some like movements up. This is how my technical analysis looks like from a higher time frame perspective. Before I get into the details context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So DJT, the only way that I was willing to take it higher, is if I started seeing double breaks. And honestly speaking, I'm seeing some double breaks. So this is good. But I want to see double breaks, not just one break, which is again fine. I mean, I'm gonna look for them. The last thing that I was, like I said in the previous video, like the last thing that I was doing was just blindly being bullish. But because it's very risky, although it's definitely going higher today, but the chances of this just delivering lower are through the roof. So that's why I want to see not just one break, but a pullback and then a second break. That indicates a start of a bullish trend. So it's not financial advice. This is just my opinion, only for entertainment purposes. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next one.